Look at all that two-stroke smoke. Two-smoker.
Huh? What were we going over that? You were going over that. You were slowly pulling away from me. Wait, I had this up to 120. I had it up to 120.
120?
Yeah.
Holy shit, is that how fast we were going?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I was like, yeah. Wait, you want to go back along there and practice monoing?
Yeah, right.
Okay. The rev star is so high at that speed. You gotta be careful as well at the crest, and about people riding past their, like riding past people's houses. Is they don't like the noise because they are not bikers like we are. They are not hardcore. 120. Didn't seem like it. 120. Maybe his speedo's out. This bit here is good for practicing monoing, eh? Oh yes, that was good. I got it right on the balance point. Just tipping it, tipping it. Oh, this bit's good right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh, dude, if I had to gear up, I tried to gear up, but I just didn't do it. Oh,
Go 360.
Barkbusters. Oh. Oh, dude, my clutch lever.
Oh, there's the other end. What happened? Oh.
Slipped into that rut. My clutch lever.
Well, you're right.
Yeah.
Well, I turned around and saw it.
Did ya?
Yeah. Are your handlebars still on?
Yeah. Oh.
What happened?
My front wheel like slipped into that rut and I fucking fell over.
Oh, you're right. Oh.
So much for the Barkbusters, eh? I reckon actually the Barkbusters just did it.
Can you still ride it with the clutch like that?
Yeah.
Dude, that's brutal.
The Barkbusters actually did it.
Huh?
The Barkbusters are actually what did it.
Really?
Yeah.
Should get the wraparound ones.
Yeah,
but then it this up. Were you recording it?
Yeah. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Sweet. Time you want, eh?
One sec. Alright, I'm recording properly now. Those unbreakable levers. Yeah, the ones that bend forward. Yeah. It's a bloody Barkbuster is actually the thing that broke. Really?
Yeah, so
That's
you can see
fine.
where it hit it.
Oh,
I was like,
so much for
when
protection.
I dropped it, I was like, Buckbusters! Like, and then I stood up, and the lever's broken. Oh.
Oh well, now you can get unbreakables.
Alright,
Oh, my dick hurts. When I stood up, because before I came back here, because you guys went behind me, so I'm like, what's going on? I stood up and I was like this, and my dick got caught between here, and it like crunched.
Oh.
So it's like stinging a little bit.
Yeah, you can see where I, like...
You can see where you caught it here.
Yeah. Prick.
How long do you have it going for though?
I wasn't wheeling.
Oh, you're just riding?
Yeah.
Oh, f***.
Actually, or maybe I did. I have to look back on the footage, I can't remember. No, you were wheeling and then you went down and crossed lane. Oh, okay. Alright.
Oi! Double kick.
Oh, actually, hang on.
Check your fuel.
Plenty.
Yeah, I'll be right. Look at my tank.
Yeah, you got a large tank though, like 12 litres something.
10 point something.
His is massive.
Yeah, this one cuts off here. This one goes down a little further because of the pipe.
Yep. Oh, yeah. It's like one of those shorty levers now though, isn't it? Like just the 2 fingers. I kind of like it. It's just stupid. I actually like it like this. I actually like it like this. Go! Oh, rev limiter! Oh, it's ripped my grip as well, eh? Yep, prick.
I'll
go check if there's any skates in there. If not, I'll come back and just leave it.
No. Alright.
I tighten my straps a bit on Camelback. There we go, that's good. What's JD doing? J-Dog. Just waiting there. Whoa! Dude! Dude! Did you see that? Yeah, it was like... Oh, my front wheel like hit a rock or something. It was like, oh! Yeah. Are we going in there? No. Alright. Oh, what is this? Wait, where are we? Stampede! Are we going up here?
We could, but the sheep, so we'll come back to that later, see if there's no sheep.
He doesn't want to go there because there's sheep there. Wait, we can just go past them.
What?
We can just go past them.
Yeah, mate, bro.
Alright, see you, Jaden. I want to do that. Come back. Alright, he did not get that. Retarded.
Be really careful of rough here.
Alright. So don't go fast. Monted Moto. Alright, be very careful. You can see like drift marks there. Whoa! I don't know if that was like a bug or a stone. That flew right into my, like if my goggles weren't there, it would have gone right into my left eye. Look at the fucking dust. I want to go back to the paddock now. Oh, we're going flat stick! Ah! Flat stick, buddy! Yeah. So there's a note for the Blockbuster people. Bricks. Oi! Oi! Cut your engine! Cut your engine!